Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add keyframe to your video or your photo on InShot application. So guys, here I have already created a project on my InShot application, and if you want to put keyframe to your clip, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on your clip like this. Then you can simply tap on the keyframe button, this one. Tap on this keyframe button. Then for example, I'm going to use keyframe to make a zoom effect for my clip. So for the first keyframe, I'm going to select this position. I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to put keyframe for the end of the video right here. Then just tap on this keyframe button, and then I'm going to zoom in as well like this. So I'm using this keyframe to track the clips and to make a zoom effect like this. And after we're done, we just need to play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add keyframe on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.